how can teams avoid innovation fatigue and stay focused on what really moves the needle?
Yeah, what we often discuss with our customers is don't go and do technology for the sake of technology. Take time, strategize first, you understand what you're trying to solve for, and then you digitize, right, the points that you want to measure, the data that you need to solve the problem, and then after you optimize and apply technology, correct? Otherwise, technology for the sake of technology leads back to our first question, which is you get back to the pilot purgatory, you cannot scale.
Right.
And the second piece I think it's important is that don't try to solve the hardest problem ever that you have, but you cannot replicate in other parts of the plant. Sometimes it's about solving small problems that can multiply many times, and then you get scale, and then you have a meaningful, saving, either energy saving, cost saving, productivity, But look for those problems that you can actually replicate in many areas of the plant, not just the most difficult one that you never get out of it.